So what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 7th, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Hoth Therapeutics, stock symbol HOTH. It is up today 252% or $2.07, trading at $2.93. Since this morning, it already traded 288 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is only $20 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, this is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock, and I actually checked on what's going on there, and these guys actually deal with skin cancer. So, when patients receive skin cancer therapy, a lot of times there's a lot of kind of toxic, I guess, elements that are being released during these treatments, which basically kind of like affect patients very negatively. And what this company does is that they're developing a drug that will make this toxic, I guess, influence on the patient much less, and it will improve the quality of life for skin cancer patients. So, and apparently skin cancer is pretty widespread in the world and in America. So there are like a lot of people who are going through those treatments, and apparently they drug would make it much better in terms of treating this type of patients. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, because it sounds like it could be a potential very powerful win. So and the market kind of tells you that on its own, because we have right now already 290 million shares being traded. So it's like every couple of minutes we have like another million being traded. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there and maybe put some money into it, because who knows, if this drug is not approved yet. It's going through clinical trials. So but the clinical trials are very successful. Like they're saying, like 100% of patients who are going through skin cancer therapy are feeling much better. So could be a pretty promising result. And the stock that has market cap of $20 million could probably become a $2 billion stock, or $200 million stock. So who knows? So take a look and maybe put some money into it. Hoth Therapeutics, stock symbol HOTH, only $3.08 a share. Next one is Sero Therapeutics Holdings, stock symbol CERO. It is up today 57% or 2 cents, trading at 6 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 264 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $13 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, actually, this company just announced a reversed split, where if you had, for example, 100 shares of this stock, you will have only one now, because I guess the stock was trading too low, and they were subject of being delisted unless they could bump up their price. And one of the ways to bump up the price of your stock is do a reverse split, where you're basically slashing number of shares by 100, and then every share becomes the price goes up 100 times, but the value of the company still stays the same. So but this split actually attracts a lot of people. Maybe they think there's an opportunity here. So who knows, maybe after this reverse split, they would be able to attract more investment capital. They would be able to stay in the market much longer. And, investors are kind of like cheering this news. So take a look, maybe put some money into it. Sero Therapeutics Holdings, stock symbol CERO, only 6 cents a share. Next one is XTI Aerospace Inc., stock symbol XTI. It is up today 74% or 6 cents, trading at 15 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 1.7 billion shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. 1.7 billion. I mean, that must be like a record. Market cap of the company, though, is only $44 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, guess what? XTI Aerospace, it's a tiny penny stock company, but they just filed a patent that I guess describes how the planes that they are building will have a vertical liftoff like helicopters. And I guess there's something special about this patent because, as we know, most planes, you know, they have to run on the runway and actually take off horizontally, so to speak, right? And only, I think, like a couple of military planes that they use, at least in the U.S. Army, they have this vertical liftoff. But this kind of like, I guess, either bombers or fighter jets, but they're not really like regular like passenger planes. So, but this guy somehow found a way to make, I guess, like a passenger plane to do a vertical liftoff. And the news is so powerful that I guess a ton of people are being attracted to this thing. I mean, based on 1.7 billion shares in trading volume. So just remember, 6 months ago, the stock used to trade 35 cents. Okay, then it collapsed all the way to like 3 cents. And it was probably being, you know, could have been delisted, but these guys are, you know, publishing this patent and kind of like telling the industry that they might start building planes with vertical liftoff. And obviously this is kind of, I guess, revolutionary approach, at least for passenger planes, and that's why the market is going crazy, and lots of people are, you know, coming in and buying those shares. So if I were you, I would take a look and maybe put some money into it as well. So XTI Aerospace, stock symbol XTIA, only 15 cents a share. Next one is Algorithm Holdings, stock symbol RIME. It is up today 61% or 8 cents, trading at 23 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 577 million shares in the first 90 minutes, so 500 million shares in the first 90 minutes. While market cap of the company, though, is only $22 million. So, what's going on with this company? I'm glad you asked. I did my check, and here's what's happening. These guys are actually building karaoke machines, you know, machines where you sing, you know, while the song is playing on the background, and you could almost kind of, I guess, lip sync or something. So, but these guys actually, they're participating in CES, which is a Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, where a lot of technology companies are bringing their products to demo, you know, how they work and stuff like that. So these guys are there too. And they just revealed this, you know, karaoke machine that's like much better than others. It uses AI, artificial intelligence, and I don't know, maybe it makes you sing better or something, but they attracted a huge amount of new buyers because for a long time nobody was paying attention to that stock, and it was kind of like, you know, kind of unknown. In fact, I forgot to tell you that this company is actually a recent a recent IPO, because it went public only on September 9th, and which was like, what, like 5 months ago. So, and now they're finally able to you know, attract investors' attention, and the stock is finally starting to gain some traction and build a bullish trend. So if I were you, I would take a look and maybe put some money into it. So Algorithm Holdings, stock symbol RIME, only 23 cents a share. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading, and check out this website for my app. Bye.